Indeed, in their stories, there was truly a lesson for people of reason. Allah described the story of Prophet Yusuf as the most beautiful of stories. Why? Because regardless of what situation you are going through in life, you can relate to something in it. It teaches us that dreams do come true, hardship will turn into ease, and nothing is better in this world than loyalty. It teaches us that those with gifts will be hated upon and plotted against. So, patience is key. It teaches us that it's never too late to say sorry, and forgiveness takes the greatest courage. It teaches us du'as may be delayed, but they are never rejected. It teaches us that the best of people have the most difficult beginning, but they always have the most beautiful endings. It teaches us that the affection and care of parents has no boundaries. Love can cure, broken hearts can be fixed, and reuniting with those we care about is close. It teaches us that the truthful never abandon that which they believe in. Allah is always with those who have no one, and He gives everything to those who give up everything for Him.